Well, let me just try to wrap up this workshop by asking you to stay connected with us. So one way that you can do this is by participating in one of our working groups. And I've listed a dozen or so working groups that we have initially established. Many of them coincide with the Slack channels. So they range from the data management issue to energy technologies, array processing, urban seismology, instrumentation, the disciplinary ones, hydrology, engineering, cryosphere. And I especially want to point out to the early career and graduate student postdoc participants that Nate Lindsey is leading an early career DAS network. So please feel free to join any of these working groups. We're still trying to establish exactly what the charge for a working group is. It's somewhere between a special interest group and a group that has real accomplishments to do, such as creating workshops, compiling publications, FAQs, conference papers, data sets, and preparing reports of issues and opportunities within your working group. So this list of leaders of the working groups will be posted, and please do consider joining one. Next slide. Another way to participate in the Research Coordination Network is to propose items for discussion to our monthly steering committee meeting. They occur on the second Thursday of each month. You can send your agenda items to me or to Kasey, and we'll then have a chance to bring it up before a combination of steering committee and working group leaders. So you'll get your thoughts heard. And keep in mind that we're sponsored by the NSF, and our goals are to advance the applications of DAS in geosciences and engineering, and trying to do more of what we've done this past week of bringing together the international DAS community. And the final slide. So I think this has been a really successful first workshop for our RCN. We officially began on June the 1st, and there are many, many thank yous. Let me begin by thanking you, Kasey, for tirelessly managing all the logistics and admitting people to the waiting room through all 3 days. Eileen and Nate, you've just done a tremendous job of organizing the overall workshop, preparing the day 2 tutorials, and getting together a really interesting group of lightning talks and main presentations for this 3rd day. Thank you, Dante and Scott, for the day 1 overview talks. I think they gave everybody a broad view of what the potential applications of DAS are. Thank you for the guides, for contributing your time and expertise to the breakout sessions and to answering questions in the Slack channels. And for sure, all participants that gave your time, your energy, and I felt enthusiasm and contributions to this workshop. So thank you, everybody. Please continue to stay connected. Please give us your 5-minute feedback on this post-DAS virtual workshop survey. So with that, thanks everybody again, and we'll see you probably at our next AGU workshop.